Hi, I'm Kayla Itsines and this is my locker room lookbook with well+Good. And this is my gym bag. So the first thing I have is a really good pair of shoes. Now these shoes might not be the prettiest, but they're the most supportive. So in my shoes, I have my orthotics. So I train with these orthotics. They help stabilize my ankle. Next up, I have little sections in this gym bag. So I have things like antibacterial wipes that I wipe down things with because I'm a little bit of a clean freak. I have my phone in my gym bag, which has my Sweat app on it. I have my very tangled headphones that I normally have my wireless ones, but with me now I actually lost them. So we have these headphones with me. And I have my love of my life watch that I train with every day. I love closing my rings and knowing how many steps I've done. What else do I have in here? Oh, I've got my cleanser, which I've been using since I've left school or even in school. This is a drugstore one, cheap but amazing. I always clean my face after my workouts and then follow that by this Drunk Elephant hydrating serum, which I use, and I've used this for almost 2 years and it's incredible. I then have, and I just dropped it. I actually have a spare crop top and shorts. So crop top, shorts, which these are just super comfy shorts. I love them. They're by Aloe Yoga. This is just a generic crop top that I have in here. Now, this is like my favorite thing ever. So I have a greens powder. I actually bought this from the drugstore. It's like you're meant to put your shampoo in it, but I've actually got apple cider vinegar in it. It still has a label on it. And I put apple cider vinegar in it and I bring my own turmeric with me. So I make myself a little pre-workout drink that I have before the gym. So I don't even know where to put all this stuff. And that's it.